How to find archive stories on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you find archive stories on Facebook. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Facebook app with your account. After you open Facebook, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the top left, tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, tap on three dots just at the right hand section of advertise icon. From the profile settings, you'll have to tap on Activity Log. From the Activity Log, tap on Archive at the top left. From the Archive section, tap on Story Archive. And from here, you can view all of your archive stories on Facebook. Simply from here, you can re-edit or repost that. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.